Hello, welcome everyone. Today's topic is graphic in QBasic revision. We will do the revision of graphics in QBasic, how we use graphics in QBasic. In class 6, you have studied the programming in QBasic. Now today we will do the revision of graphics in QBasic. In QBasic, it is very easy and interesting to create and display graphics on the screen. You use pixel picture element to draw line, figures, and patterns of different shapes. Before you proceed with making beautiful graphics, let us understand display characteristics of your monitor. So it's very easy and interesting to create graphics in QBasics. You can use the pixel of their monitors to draw figures, lines, and different patterns. With the help of different line, you can make the shape also. So before we will proceed further, we must know what is constants for the programming of QBasics. So constants are the fixed values and that is divided into two parts, numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constants are those which contain digit like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And character constants are those constants which contains characters, words, statements. And for the character constant, we use dollar sign to save the value. Next is variables. A variable is a name which contains a value. To save the constant, we need variable. Every constant value is saved with the help of a variable. You can have two common modes of display, medium resolution and high resolution. To make the programs for the graphics in QBasic, we have two type of screen, medium resolution and high resolution. In medium resolution, the computer screen is divided into 320 horizontal by 200 vertical pixels. And for the high resolution, the computer screen is divided into 640 horizontal by 200 vertical pixels. This depends upon the which type of monitor you are using and what type of ID is there. For QBasic, according to that, we use these resolutions, medium and high. Screen statement. This statement is used to set the screen resolution. To set the screen resolution, if you know about the pixels of our monitors, you can use this screen resolution option. And the syntax is line number. The line number you have to give in the QBasic programming, and it is not compulsory to give a line number. We can write our program without using line number, but most of the time when we use go to statement, we use line number. Screen mode, you will write screen and then the mode parameter, whatever the parameter was be there, the value of the parameter you will give after writing screen. There are many screen modes that can be used in QBasic. Every mode has different resolution and support different number of colors. So there are the various different mode by which we can make our screen resolution in QBasic programming. There is a chart and you must have that particular chart with you when you are using the resolution. Color statement. This statement is used to set attractive screen color for displaying the text and the graphics. To set a color in graphics, we can use color statement. To look it more attractive, we can use color statement. Syntax is color parameter F and parameter B. You have to write color, then you have to write one parameter and then the another parameter. Parameter you have to in parameter you have to give the values, where parameter f specifies the foreground color and parameter b specifies the background color. So first, whatever parameter you will give, that will be the foreground color, and whatever you will give the parameter after the first parameter, second parameter, that will be the background color for the that parameter will be for the background color. There are 16 color option for background and foreground color specified by the value 0 to 5. So from 0 to 15 there are the 16 colors which you can give in the parameter, and you can give two colors in parameter. One is for the foreground and second for the background. The syntax is you have to write color, then you have to give the value for the first foreground color and comma, then after that you have to give the value for the background color. I have given the way I have posted a video for this also in Ursal. You can check it. Background color chart. This is the chart which is for background color, and this chart will you can use for the foreground color also as well. So 0 is for black and 15 is for white. You can see that there are the different color combinations from 0 to 15. You can write down in color statement color, then you can give this 0, 1, 2, 3 or 5, any of the color for the foreground and background. And now this is the example of creating a program to demonstrate the use of color statement. Like this, CLS is for clear the screen, color 14, 2, print foreground color is yellow and background color is green, and if this program where whatever this foreground color is yellow and background color is green, this will be printed as it is, but for the background color will be green and the foreground color will be yellow, just because the 14 is for yellow and 2 is for green. This is the program. Line statement. The line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. So to draw a straight line, we use the line statement. By the help of line statement, we can make triangles, squares, etc. Straight line. For better output and proper colors, we should use the screen mode that supports all the 16 colors. So we have to make, for the better output, we can make the our program in that particular screen mode which supports all the 16 colors. And the syntax of the line statement is line x1 y1 slash x2 y2, then color, and you can give the parameter, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 represent the start and the end coordinates of a line drawn in the specified color. So whatever you will write in x1 and y1 at that point, from that point to the point x2, y2, a straight line will be there, and in color statement you will get the color for that particular line. Circle statement. The circle statement is used to draw a circle, an ellipse or an arc of circle. Circle XYRP. This is the syntax of your circle. This statement is used to make a circle in QBasic. The coordinate X and Y specify the center, and R is for the radius, and P specifies the color code. So this is the syntax for the color statement. When you will write circle, you have to give the coordinate for your point from where you want your circle, and R will give you the radius, and P specifies the color of the particular code. Now the next topic was creating sound in QBasic. Beep statement. If you want to add a beep sound, use beep statement. If you use a beep statement if you want to use a beep statement in your output, you can use the beep statement. The example of this beep statement is here. Input press enter to hear a beep. $8 for the values. When we use input statement, it takes the values from the user. We have to press any button, and the beep statement is there. Whenever we will click on the any button, a beep sound will appear. This is your graphic in QBasic, and for this you have to learn all the question answer and the state and the exercise which is at the back of your chapter, and you have to make a program for the beep and the circle and the color. For you can make the program to demonstrate the color statement for other than yellow and green. So thank you.